Hello everyone, I am Anup. In this video, I am going to explain about inverter. An inverter is a device which converts unidirectional DC current to alternating AC current. The inverters are mainly used in photovoltaic cells, pumps, and car batteries, electric motors, and other heavy electronic equipments which are used in industrial appliances. So, if you want to get a variable AC output, then we are using variable frequency drives. So, in this variable frequency drive, it consists of rectifier and inverter. This rectifier will convert AC to DC, whereas the inverter convert DC to obtain a variable AC. Let's get into the operation of inverter. So, in the first figure, you can observe the inverter consists of a DC source and which is applying to an AC load. At first, the switch S1 and S4 will be on, hence the current flow will happen from left to right. Whereas in the second figure, the switch S2 and S3 will be on and S1 and S4 will be open. This makes the current to flow from right to left. This results in the formation of an square wave AC output. But this square wave consists of sharp edges which can affect the switches. Hence, we are using the switches such as diode, MOSFET, and IGBT, which can able to switch properly within a frequency of 50 to 60 Hz without any manual, and also can able to sustain this square wave and able to give the smooth sine wave output. So in the first figure, you can see that the DC source is supplied to an AC load which consists of 6 IGBTs. In the first step, the IGBT 1 and 5 will be on. In the next step, the IGBT 2 and 6 will be on, and in the final step, the IGBT 3 and 1 will be on. This will give us the smooth sine wave at the output. But the smoothness of sine wave is depending upon how long the switch is open or closed. This is called as pulses. So in here you can observe within a particular half cycle there are so many pulses. If the number of pulses are more, then the smoothness of wave will be good. So the pulse width modulation is the main thing which decides the perfect sine wave which are getting at the output. And this pulse width is controlled by a controller which is controlling the various switches such as IGBT, MOSFET, or diode. Thank you.